So, WII FM, all of you have a radio receiver in your head. It's automatically built in, you're born with it, and it picks up a certain signal. And that's from the radio station WII FM. And when you hear that signal, you usually stop and listen so you don't get out of range to what that signal is broadcasting. And that WII FM is what's in it for me. So when you walk by an exhibit that says enter here for some US Open tickets, to enter the drawing for some US Open tickets, if you're a big tennis fan, you're probably going to go in there, right? Now, if that exhibit is looking to attract tennis fans, that was a good idea. The personal appeal, the what's in it for me, was win US Open tickets. But guess what? Most companies that are giving away US Open tickets are not looking for tennis fans. They're looking for chemists and accountants and all kinds of other stuff. So they're really kind of populating their exhibit with people that can't do them any benefit. So that's a poor message. But it is nonetheless a what's in it for me message for tennis fans. So messages have to be personal. Now, at the International Builders Show, my client Owens Corning, huge building products supplier, was going to the show, and they had everything in the kitchen sink in their exhibit. And I did some exit interviews with people who had interacted with the staff. I had my team do exit interviews. And we found out that about 60% of the people coming out said they didn't learn anything new, which was horrifying because we had a bunch of new products and stuff in there. But the problem was the new stuff was so buried with the old stuff that most of the people coming out really didn't learn anything new. And the other problem was we weren't focused in that environment. We had everything in the kitchen sink, but it wasn't really focused as much as it should be on the individual benefits for home builders. So the next year we changed it and put in the message hierarchy that we're going to explain in a minute. And right below the Pink Panther Owens Corning logo was a big sign all the way around the exhibit that said, build more homes and sell more homes at a higher price. I'm trying to remember the exact words, but build better homes and sell them at a higher price, essentially is what it said. Okay, so if I'm a plumber, am I going to be compelled to enter that exhibit based on that statement? Probably not. If I'm a painter, probably not. And all these people are there, plumbers, painters, everything, roofers. But if I'm a home builder, what does that say? Build more better homes or better homes faster and sell them at a higher price. Who's going to stop and read that message? Home builders, right? And what are they going to do? They're going to come in because the next level sign said, come in and we'll show you exactly how with marketing support, et cetera, and several things that were the specific topics that we wanted to discuss with builders about how they could improve their own business. So that what's in it for me message was all about that builder going sell more homes at a higher price. That's pretty compelling. And with a big brand like Owens Corning who has the ethos to back it up, right? I want to go see what they've got to say. Does that make sense? Okay, you see how it's a what's in it for me message? And do you see how it selects the target naturally and pulls them out of the audience? Okay.